SafetyWing. It's 11:40 AM, Tuesday the 8th of October, back at the J Festival, and I'll be helping a food and then showing bags, show you. Today we head to extend our visa, Samsid days. Just went back and topped up. My favourite out of the three at the sound today is this one. Really tasty. Let me see if you can see it. You can see it in the shadow. This one. It's really good. It's all really good. It's 2:15 PM and we just arrived at Pai Immigration. So I'll see you on the inside. Okay, it's 2:50 PM and we're finished inside. So, what was that, 35 minutes, you know? 35 minutes, filled the form in, and we had to pay Songpan Nisid as a total. So 2,020 bahts, that was for the visa extension of 30 days, a photocopy of a passport and a extra photo. Yes, there's one thing I want to show you underneath my chair here. There's a long line of really tiny really, really tiny. Not sure who they are, but they're people. Let me show you. Some of them are carrying little things, and they're going all the way up the wall up there. Long, I think some of them going up there. I can see up to the sky actually. Okay. So if you watched today's video, then please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you all tomorrow. Khopkhunkhap.